My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just over 27,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our portable table. From the pictures, we'll be able to see that this provides us with a dining area. Moving on to our kitchen area, we have our cooker, sink and fridge with lots of storage above and below. Next, we have our power supply unit. This is for our vehicle battery charger, lights and aux, and our water pump. Next, we have our double bed. Again, from the pictures, we'll be able to see that this transforms into two belted seats, which are of course full black leather, making this camper 2-berth, 5 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and to the right we have voice control. On our screen, using the buttons to the left, we can access our radio, media and menu. To the right we have phone, app, which includes Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay and MirrorLink, and our voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with park distance control. And just below, we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.